Welcome to AntMyERP. This video shows how to manage MPS Business through AntMyERP. What is MPS Business? A printer is given on rent and charged per copy or per toner. This video explains how that business is managed, countered, uploaded in the system, generated and calculated on per page. First of all, a quotation needs to be given to manage MPS Business. Go to CRM Sales and click on Quotation. Click on MPS Quotation and the form opens. Fill the customer details in the format of MPS. After filling the details, select the device here, which is being given in the contract. Select the quantity and click on the plus line item. The commercial of the device selected will appear here. Add the committed rental. For example, it is 5,000. Enter the number of copies being given free. For example, 10,000 copies are free. The charge for each copy. If there is some rental for the scan or if the commitment copy is free, then the charge for the scan can also be entered in the system. The charge for the scan. For the system to calculate, its counter is uploaded. For example, if a new device is given, which was given on zero counter, and the customer took out 12,000 copies in the first month, the system will now minus 10,000 from 12,000 which were copied, 2,000 plus 45 paisa plus 5,000 rental. This is how its bill is generated. So this way the quotation can be made, converted to a contract, and the order can be executed. There is already a video on order execute and on how to convert it to a contract. Now when the device counter comes in the MPS Business, go to the service and click on Reports. Click on the counter report, and all the devices given on MPS or per page will be seen here. So in the MPS commercial type, whether it is per toner or per page can be seen. So this is per page only. The counters that have come in at any time can be seen. If the counter has not come, click on the Add Counter. The counter can be added here. And here the counter of the scan can be added. Add the date on which the counter came. So for example, there was a counter on January 30th. Save it. This is the counter update. This shows how many counters have come in which device in which month, with which there will be counter tracking. What counters are coming in which device, what counters are coming at what time. How many counters came in October, how many came in November, and how many came in December can all be seen. In this way, the device counter can be managed. And the bill generated by MPS in the system goes to the finance and sales. When the system runs after uploading the counter will be automatically seen in the MPS tab. It'll show that the bill has been generated on the counter. So here is the option of the third number, where the invoice of 3540 has been generated. All the details can be seen in the view. And here in the heading, it is seen that it is on per page. The period is January 1st to January 31st. The details can be downloaded from here. Instead of downloading the details, if you want it on the next page, then whatever bill has been generated for MPS. Once that is accepted, the details are seen in the second page. This is the bill of MPS. Click on it and here on the second page, the details of the invoice will be seen. It is seen that it is on per page. The details of per page are seen here. The details can be downloaded. It can also be printed. There are multiple options in print. It can be printed in an original or duplicate way. The print will show what the device was, its counter and the difference in it. Secondly, if you edit it, then what was built in it will also be seen. Go to Sales Invoice and edit any invoice of MPS here. There are so many invoices here, and suppose the third one needs to be edited. Go to Action and click on View. There is an option to edit here. The details are seen here. From January 1st to January 31st of this device, of this serial number, this much was the rental, this much was copy free, 0 stutter counter, and 0 ending counter. For example, if 2000 is added, then this detail comes from the counter report. If it is not entered in the counter report, then it will show 0 here. So if 2000 is entered in the counter report, there will be a traffic of 2000 here. When the extra copy was 1000, according to 50 paisa, it becomes 500 and 1000 was already there. Save this and the billing amount will increase. So it shows that the extra copy charge is 500 rupees. Whereas 3000 was the rental, but extra copy is 500 rupees. This way, the entire MPS business can be managed on AntMyERP. Please like this video, share and subscribe. Thank you.